Next, problem number 8. Question, take as a y first. Let y is equal to sin x power x plus sin inverse x, sin inverse root x. Find the derivative, find the differentiation or find the derivative of the function. So first plus is there, put u is equal to sin x power x and v is equal to sin inverse root x. Therefore, y is equal to u plus v, derivation with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, dv by dx. Take as a equation 1. Now, u is equal to sin x power x. Function power function is there. So that's why what we have to make, apply the log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Log u is equal to log of sin x power x, log of sin x power x. Log u is equal to x into log of sin x, log of sin x. Now, apply the derivation. This is log a power m formula applied first. Second step, derivation with respect to x. So, 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv formula apply. X into derivation of v, log sin x derivation is 1 by sin x. Again derivation for sin x, chain rule. Chain rule we have to do here. Next, log sin x as it is, v into u dash, x derivation is 1. Now, send u right side. Du by dx is equal to u into x by sin x into sin x derivation is cos x, sin x derivation is cos x plus log sin x du by dx is equal to, what is the u value? U value is sin x power x. X into cos by sin is cot x plus log sin x. That is the du by dx value. Next, v is equal to sin inverse root x. V is equal to sin inverse root x. Direct derivation you make. Why? Because we have formula. Derivation with respect to x. dv by dx is equal to sin inverse derivation is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 by square root of 1 minus x means here what? Root x whole square. X place root x is there. X place root x is there. So we have to make the derivation for root x. Now, here square root cancel. 1 by square root of 1 minus x into 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root, this x, this also root is there, so multiply inside. X into 1 is x minus x into x is x square. This is the dv by dx value. dv by dx value completed. This total substitute in equation 1. What is the equation 1? 1 implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx. What is the du by dx value? Sin x power x into x cot x plus log sin x plus this dv by dx value 1 by 2 root x minus x square. This is the dy by dx value. Problem number 9. Same method. First solution, let question take as a x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. First, Question take as a y. Next, plus is there, so put x power sin x is equal to u, and sin x power cos x is equal to v we have to take. Therefore, y is equal to what will get a u plus v. Derivation with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This take as a equation 1. Now separately how to find du by dx, separately how to find dv by dx. Both values substitute in equation 1. So that purpose, now u is equal to x power sin x. Apply function power function is there. Our method is apply log on both sides. Log u is equal to log x power sin x, log x power sin x. Log u is equal to sin x into log x, sin x into log x. Why? Because log a power m, p power m, m into log p, that formula using. Now derivation with respect to x, derivation with respect to x, what will get? 1 by u du by dx is equal to sin x u into v dash. V dash derivation is 1 by x plus log x v into u dash. U dash derivation is cos x. Derivation of sin x is cos x. Now you send u right side. Du by dx is equal to u into, what is u? U is x power sin x into this value, sin x by x plus cos x into log x, cos x into log x. Next, now v is equal to sin x power cos x. Function power function is there, so we have to make the logarithm on both sides. First apply log on both sides. Log v is equal to log sin x power cos x. Log v is equal to cos x into log sin x, log a power m formula using cos x into log sin x. Derivation with respect to x, 1 by v dv by dx is equal to cos x u into v dash. V dash is 1 by sin x. D by dx of sin x you have to make. Why? Because x plus sin x is there. So that's why I make the derivation for that, plus log sin x d by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x. You send that side. dv by dx is equal to, what is the v value? V value is sin x power cos x into cos by sin. Cos by sin is cot x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. Writing first minus sin x into log sin x. Don't multiply sin x square. That is different function, this is different function. So sin x into log sin x. dv by dx and du by dx value substitute in equation 1. 1 implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus du by dx what? X power sin x by x plus cos x into log x plus dv by dx. dv by dx value is sin x power cos x cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. This is the dy by dx value. Next, problem number 10. Question take as a y first. Let y is equal to x power x cos x plus x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. Same, put u is equal to x power x cos x comma v is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. This is the same procedure for every problem. If addition subtraction is there, this method you have to apply. Multiplication is there, direct apply log on both sides. Now y is equal to u plus v, derivation with respect to 2x, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Equation 1 you take. Now u is equal to x power x cos x, x power x cos x. Apply log on both sides. Log on both sides. Log u is equal to log x power x cos x. Log x power x cos x. Log u is equal to x cos x. This total one value a power m formula. Log a power m is m into log a. M into log a. Now derivation with respect to 2x. Derivation with respect to 2x. 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv formula. This total take as a u, this total take as a v. X cos x into 1 by x. Derivation of v is 1 by x plus log x into derivation of, I'll write here, d by dx of x cos x. D by dx of x cos x. Why? Because this is in uv formula. U send this side. Du by dx is equal to u into, here x cancel, cos x plus log x into derivation of v dash minus sin x. Uv formula u v dash plus v u dash. X derivation is 1. Du by dx is equal to, what is the x value? Sorry, u value. U value is x power x cos x into cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x. Just log x multiply inside, negative is there, negative you write. Now v is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 is there. So direct I'll apply the u by v formula. Derivation with respect to 2x, dv by dx is equal to x square minus 1 into, what is the formula? U by v whole dash is equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square by v square. Formula v into u dash derivation is 2x minus x square plus 1. X square minus 1 derivation is 2x divided by x square minus 1 whole square. Now dv by dx is equal to, multiply inside, 2x cube minus 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x minus multiply inside, divided by x square minus 1 whole square. These two get cancelled. dv by dx is equal to minus 4x by x minus 1 whole square. Du by dx we got, dv by dx also we got. 1 implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx, x power x cos x into cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x into log x, cos x into log x plus Plus means here minus is there. I am writing minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. This is the dy by dx value. Pass. Next, problem number 11. First step is let y is equal to x cos x power x plus x sin x power 1 by x. 1 by x. Now, general step, put x is equal to x, sorry, u is equal to x cos x power x, v is equal to x sin x power 1 by x. Now, therefore, y is equal to u plus v, derivation with respect to 2x, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Take as a equation 1. Now, du is equal to x cos x power x. X cos x power x is there. Apply log on both sides. Log on both sides. Log u is equal to log of x cos x, log of x cos x power x. Log u is equal to x into log of x cos x, x cos x. Now, this total 1. Now, derivation with respect to x. 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv formula apply x into 1 by x cos x, x cos x, but x place x cos x is there, so derivation for x cos x plus derivation for x cos x plus log of x cos x, derivation of x is 1. Derivation of x is 1. UV formula applied first. Next, u send that side. Dy by dx is equal to u into, here x cancel, 1 by cos x into, again UV formula. Again UV formula. So, x into minus sin x. Why? Because derivation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into x derivation is 1 plus log of x cos x, log of x cos x. What is the u value? U value is x power, sorry, x cos x power x. Multiply inside minus x sin x by cos x minus x sin x by cos x plus cos x by cos x plus log of x cos x, log of x cos x. These two get cancelled. X cos x power x minus x sin x by cos x, we can write as a tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x, log of x cos x. This is which value? Du by dx, dy not, du by dx value. Next, now v is equal to x sin x by whole power 1 by x, x sin x by whole power 1 by x. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Log v is equal to log of x sin x whole power 1 by x. Log v is equal to 1 by x into log of x sin x. Now, derivation with respect to 2x. This take as a u, this take as a v. Now 1 by v dv by dx is equal to 1 by v dv by dx is equal to u into v dash. This derivation is 1 by x sin x d by dx of x sin x. Why? Because plus sin x sin x is there, so derivation for that one. Next, plus log of x sin x. Derivation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. We send that side, dv by dx is equal to v into 1 by x square sin x, 1 by x square sin x. This derivation is uv formula again, uv formula x into cos x into cos x plus sin x into cos x plus sin x minus log of x sin x divided by x square. So now multiply inside v. What is the v value? V value is x power sin x power 1 by x. What is the v value? Multiply inside x cos x by x square sin x plus sin x by x square sin x, sin x by x square sin x minus log of x sin x by x square. X sin x power 1 by x. This one I am writing as a x cot x. X cos by sin is cot. I am not cancelling by x square. As it is I am writing plus sin by sin cancel 1 by x square minus log of x sin x by x square. So we can write x sin x power 1 by x whole, take the LCM is x square, x cot x plus 1 minus log of x sin x, log of x sin x. This is a dv by dx value. Therefore, 1 implies dy by dx is equal to dy by dx values you write du by dx and dv by dx substitute. Next, problem number 12. Question they given as a x power y plus y power x is equal to 1. Addition is there. Already y is there, no need to take direct. Given x power y plus y power x is equal to 1. Put u is equal to x power y, v is equal to y power x. Therefore, u plus v is equal to 1. Derivation with respect to x, same procedure, du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. Constant derivation is 0. This take as a equation 1. Now, u is equal to x power y. Apply log on both sides. Log u is equal to log x power y. Log u is equal to y into log x. Derivation with respect to x, 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv formula apply. U into log x derivation is 1 by x plus log x into y derivation is dy by dx. U send right side. Du by dx is equal to u into y by x is there. I am writing y by x as a x power minus 1. Upside we are sending plus log x dy by dx. And while sending u value right side, direct I am writing x power y. U value is x power y. If we are send right side and u value substitute, du by dx is equal to multiply inside y into x, bases equal, power should added, y minus 1 is there, y minus 1 will be, plus x power y log x into dy by dx. Now v term we have to simplify. Now v is equal to y power x, apply log on both sides, apply log on both sides. Log v is equal to log y power x, log y power x. Now log v is equal to x into log y, x into log y. Why? Because a power m. Derivation with respect to x, 1 by v dv by dx is equal to uv formula apply, x into 1 by y dy by dx plus log y into 1. Now we send that side dv by dx is equal to, what is the v value? V value is y power x into y power minus 1. I can write this one, dy by dx plus log y. Now multiply inside, dv by dx is equal to x into y power x minus 1, bases equal, power should add it, dy by dx plus log y into y power x into log y. Next, both values du by dx, dv by dx, substitute in equation 1. Y into x power y minus 1 plus x power y log y dy by dx plus dv by dx value is x into y power x minus 1 dy by dx plus y power x into log y equal to 0. Now dy by dx take common, dy by dx take common. What will get? Dy by dx, if we are taking common, xy log y plus x into y power x minus 1 is equal to, right side you send remaining value, minus of y x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y, negative writing, total 1 plus. Next, send denominator, dy by dx is equal to minus of y x power y minus 1 plus y log x divided by x power y log y plus x power x into y power x minus 1. This is a dy by dx value. Problem number 13, y power x is equal to x power y. Y terms is where direct you can write given y power x is equal to x power y. Find the dy by dx is the question. Direct equal is there, so apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. What will get a log y power x, log x power y. Log a power m formulas will apply, x into log y into log x. Derivation with respect to x. uv formula apply. uv, here also uv. u into 1 by y dy by dx plus log y into 1 is equal to y into log x, derivation is 1 by x plus log x dy by dx. V dash derivation is dy by dx. Now x by y dy by dx. dy by dx values total one side, non-dy by dx values total one side you might. Y minus log x dy by dx is equal to y by x minus this value and right side log y. Log y. dy by dx take common. dy by dx take common. X by y you will get x by y minus log x is equal to, take the LCM, minus x log y by x. dy by dx, take the LCM, y, x minus log x is equal to y minus x log y by x. Send that side, reverse you will get it. A by b reverse will become b by a. Implies dy by dx is equal to y by x minus log x, x minus log x into y minus x log y, y minus x log y, y minus x log y by x. This only we can write as a dy by dx is equal to y into y minus x log y divided by x into x minus log x, x into x minus log x also we can write. Next, problem number 14. Problem number 14 is cos x per y, cos y per x, cos y power x. Apply log on both sides direct. Apply log on both sides. Log of cos x whole power y is equal to log of cos y whole power x. Simplify, y into log cos x is equal to x into log cos y. Derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x. Y into log cos x derivation is 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x into cos x derivation is minus sin x. X plus cos x is there. So cos x derivation is minus sin x is equal to x into 1 by, yes, uv formula, u into v dash completed plus x log, log cos x into dy by dx we have to write v dash, v into u dash is equal to x into 1 by cos y, cos y derivation is minus sin y into dy by dx, x plus y is there, so dy by dx plus log cos y into 1, x derivation is uv formula plus x derivation is 1. So total dy by dx terms one side, remaining terms total one side we have to make. Before that, by into this one we can write as a minus y cot x, sin y cos is there, so tan x you will get, tan x plus log cos x dy by dx is equal to, this one also we can write as a minus x tan y dy by dx plus log cos y, log cos y. So now dy by dx total one side, log cos x dy by dx plus x tan y dy by dx is equal to remaining values log cos y minus this value minus is there, so plus y tan x dy by dx take common dy by dx take common log cos x plus x tan y is equal to log cos y plus y tan x plus y tan x dy by dx is equal to log cos y plus y tan x divided by log cos x plus x tan y Pause. Now problem number 15, find the dy by dx. Direct apply the derivation, no need to apply log the total derivation with respect to x. That method also you can do, but more lengthy. That is derivation of x uv formula x into dy by dx plus y into derivation of x is 1 is equal to e power x derivation e power x minus y. Now x place x minus y is there, so d by dx of x minus y. Now x into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x minus y x derivation is 1, y derivation is dy by dx. Now multiply inside x minus y e power x minus y minus e power x minus y dy by dx x into dy by dx plus y. Now dy by dx terms total one side x into dy by dx plus e power x minus y dy by dx, remaining values e power x minus y minus y. Now dy by dx take common x plus e power x minus y is equal to e power x minus y minus y. Send denominator dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y by minus y divided by x plus e power x minus y. What is the e power x minus y value? E power x minus y value is xy. So I'll substitute here xy minus y divided by x plus xy. dy by dx is equal to y take common x minus 1, y take common x minus 1, x take common y plus 1 or 1 plus y. Next, problem number 16. Find the f dash of x. Given function is f of x is equal to 1 plus x square and 1 plus x power 4 1 plus x power 8 1 plus x power 8. So now you have to find the derivation of this one. Same, apply log on both sides. Log f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x square 1 plus x power 4 1 plus x power 8. Now log AB formula is there, log PQ formula, log P plus log Q. Similarly, log f of x is equal to log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x power 4 plus log 1 plus x power 8 log 1 plus x power 8. Formula derivation apply with respect to x. 1 by f of x into derivation of f of x is f dash of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. 1 plus x derivation is 1 I am writing, plus 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. 1 plus x square derivation is 2x plus 1 plus x power 4 into 4x cube plus 1 derivation is 0. X power 4 derivation 4x cube. Next 1 by x power 8 into x power 7 n into x power n minus 1. Now send that side. F dash of x is equal to, what is the formula, what is the f of x value? F of x value total you have to substitute, and 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x square, 2x is there 2x, plus 4x cube by 1 plus x power 4 plus 8x power 7 by 1 plus x power 8. So this is the f dash of x. F of x value you can substitute there. Final, put x equal to 1. F dash of 1 you will get. F dash of 1. X all places 1 you substitute. First f of x you substitute this value and simplify. Pause the video to next. Problem number 17. Differentiate this function. That function first take as a y. X square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. In 3 ways. First one, product rule. U take and V take, simplify. UV dash plus VU dash formula. Expand the product in single polynomial. First you multiply total. First one completed, that UV. Second one multiply total, then apply the derivation. Next, third one is apply the log on both sides, log AB formula, log A plus log B, and simplify. 3 answers will be same, you will get that you have to check. Just you make the problem this one as a homework. Next, problem number 18, UVW are the functions of x. Then show that UVW formula we have to show. In one UV method, one is log method. I'll explain UV method. You can do the log method. So first, d by dx of UVW, I am taking as a, this as a U, this as a V. U into d by dx of VW plus VU d by dx of U. First function take as a UV. U V dash plus V U dash is equal to U into, again UV formula, V into dW by dx plus W into dV by dx plus VW into du by dx. UV dW by dx plus UW dV by dx plus VW d by dx. Which formula this is? D by dx of UVW. UVW. Same answer you are getting. Completed this one. Next, this is using by product rule.